Do you know where I might find that fellow?
No.
Has this ever happened to you?
No.
Hi, I'm Captain Largeon Snaggle Beast, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian's Captain Quark from the... If Al can't fix it, it's it right out.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Seal. Strong, super thick. It's like a hand in a candy, man.
Do you know what this means?
No.
Real shit. Look, Plumber's back.
What did you just say?
I said, look, well...
Of course, I'll just need my...
Plumber's crack.
Hey, wait.
Come on, Clank. Can't you just once enjoy a little...
Plumber's crack.
This is about one thing and one thing only. Sus.
What?
I was wondering if you were concerned about the,
Plumber's crack. Crack.
You ever been on a hoverboard?
No.
Where you... Huh? What?
What?
But...
Welcome to the Captain Quark course. If you're strong enough, and strong enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive head...
Yay!
Perhaps the extra brain will help your brain to
Rust your brain. Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your butt shut.
Please.
You're quite handy with your extra brain. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
No.
We, still need to...
Rust your mouth shut.
Okay, Julie, ready to learn how to make a pizza the right way?
No.
Just think, the sooner you get customers in the oven, the sooner our customers will be in the oven, because we're not just making pizza, we're creating pizza. We're
Making it great.
making it great, making it great, make it great.
I'm making it so...
Now do you understand why we must stop him?
No!
Ah, what's that?
What?
Plumber's crack.
Afraid to go out at day? Afraid to go out during the night? Just plain afraid.
Just Geronimo!
Look at all those chickens.
Right out. You said it, pal.